seem to get. Stand clear. Your painting is sexual.
Oh my gosh, this is the slowest thing I've ever seen. And this on my local channel 9. Nothing on 104.3 yet. Nothing on 94.7. Nothing on 102.1. Nothing on 95.1. So let's check channel 12. Okay, nothing on 12. So I could go back to 9. Oh my gosh. This is only a test.
Involuntary cooperation with FEMA, the FCC, and local authorities to keep you informed in the event of an emergency. If this had been an actual emergency, an official message would have followed the alert tone. This concludes this national test of the emergency alert system.
Award show, and kind of it's expected that you're going to talk about everybody that's there. And I did one a few years ago, the Critics Choice Awards, and I remember like I was so excited to like write bits about all these people, like, you know, Leonardo DiCaprio was there, Martin Scorsese was there, Matthew McConaughey, and I think, oh my, these hardcore jokes. I walked out, I was like, it was so
For that, when you hosted, and remember I said to you afterwards, you were so good. I'm like, you need to host everywhere.